How to make Receiptify Spotify. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily make Receiptify Spotify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first you have to open up a browser on your device. So after opening browser you have to search for Receiptify.com. You have to search for this exact phrase. And then here you have to go to this website receiptify.herokuapp.com, and then here you will get the option to log in with Spotify, less.fm or log in with Apple Music. So we want to Receiptify our Spotify, so we will tap on login with Spotify. Then here you will get the option to log in with Facebook, with Apple, with Google or with your phone number. And if you want to log in through your email or username, you can enter here your username or email and password and tap on login. After you log in, you have to scroll down and you have to tap on agree here in bottom. And then here you will get the option of top tracks, top artists, top genres, last month, last 6 months, all time. So select what you want. And then here scroll down and tap on download image and wait for a few minutes and your image will be downloaded. I haven't played any songs in the last months, that's why it isn't showing anything, but it will show for you if you have played songs. And so this is how you can make Receiptify Spotify. Thanks for watching.